Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WinRAR for Windows from RARLAB, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.rarlab.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the download section on the home page. Click on the downloads link to navigate to the download page. You will see different options for various operating systems. Locate the section for Windows. Under the Windows section, you will see two versions, a 32-bit and a 64-bit version. To determine which version is right for you, click on the How to Choose link if you're uncertain. If your version of Windows is current, it is likely that you will need the 64-bit version. Click on the download link for the version that matches your system. The download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the WinRAR installation file you just downloaded. Double-click on the installation file to begin the setup process. A security warning may appear, click Yes or Run to proceed. The WinRAR installation wizard will open. You will see a welcome screen, click Install to continue. Choose your preferred options for file associations. You can select the types of files you want WinRAR to open automatically. After selecting your preferences, click OK to confirm. The installation process will now commence. Once the installation is completed, a confirmation screen will appear. You can choose to launch WinRAR immediately by checking the box provided. Click Done to finish the installation process. You have now successfully downloaded and installed WinRAR on your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.